Hey everybody, in today's GeoSnap, I'll be showing you how to enable sharing location in field maps. First, we'll navigate to our ArcGIS Online Organizations Licenses tab and scroll all the way down until we see the ArcGIS Location Sharing extension. Then we'll click on Manage and search for the user that we would like to enable this extension for. You can also notify the user that this extension has been enabled for them. Now that we have the extension enabled for the user, we'll then navigate to the organization settings and go all the way down until you see Organizations extension. At this point, please ensure that the location sharing is enabled for your entire organization. Once everything has been enabled, the My Tracks option is now available for your user's field map application. Simply toggle it on and then you're done. You're now able to share your location on field maps.